You're watching Ashira in Amsterdam, and today I'm back again with how to grow your bulbs. Today I'm going to show you how I have grown some bulbs and I have got them ready to take them to a friend. So here I have grown a type of bulb called the hyacinths. The hyacinths are also in the bulb category and they look very beautiful and they're still green right now. I've grown them in a basket and I'm getting ready to go to a friend and I'll be taking these lovely hyacinths to a friend, and within 2 days they will all bloom and be white and they will have some flowers in their house, some natural greenery growing in their house. And hyacinths are very seasonal. They grow in spring and they're very beautiful. They have colors of blooms in purple, white, sometimes you have the pink ones too, but purple and white are the most popular ones. So hyacinths are very beautiful and very easy to grow, and the bulbs are also not so expensive. But I think I will be making someone happy today by taking this basket. I'm sorry that I have already packaged it and stapled it so that it doesn't go cold when I'm walking out to go to this party, but hopefully it will be all nice. And for today we are looking at the hyacinths, and next time we'll be looking at other types of bulbs like daffodils, lilies and tulips, and how to grow them. And stay tuned and find out on how we are going to do that next time. And do not forget to make a friend or anyone happy with a basket of hyacinths or tulips or daffodils like I'm going to do today. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos. Leave me comments below, like this video, share it, and see you soon.